Hey guys, let's look at how to use layers to build your final output in Splode Lab Live. In this project, I've got a video doing the main work at the bottom, with a couple of active elements above it. Higher numbered layers are drawn over the lower ones, so you build the look you want from the bottom up. A clip can be a video, a generator, or a shader effect. Each layer can have one active clip at a time. If I click a different clip on this layer, it queues for the next quantized boundary while everything else keeps playing. And when I trigger a stack, all its layers change together. So a stack lets you build one look just how you want it and trigger it all at once. Okay, let's talk about a super common effect, transparency. It has its own dial here on the layer, and you can map it to MIDI for easy access. It controls the whole layer at once. But if you need a clip to have a specific alpha, you can set it here in the inspector. Next, let's have a look at blend modes. They change how this layer mixes with what's underneath it. You can change blend modes by clicking here, then just pick the one you want. Normal is just normal. Add and screen bring out the brighter parts. Multiply keeps more of the dark stuff, and difference can get pretty wild. I mostly use add or screen with maybe 70% alpha. You just have to play around with the other modes. They can be really dramatic combined with effects. Speaking of effects, I like to keep a layer or two of my favorite effects above the video clips, so I can quickly trigger them. It's good to click the I button here to isolate the layer, so it stays out of stacks. But if you want a whole layer to be affected, click the little plus icon here to add an effect. Then click its name to bring up its settings in the inspector. Oh, and you can also set an effect over everything, just here. Again, just use plus and minus to add and remove it. Many times you'll want a logo or a band's name to stay on screen, or maybe some text or a motion graphic. You want that stuff to stay clean while everything else changes, so an isolated top layer is the way to go. You can still trigger it directly, or stop it like this. Well, that's about it for layers. Have a play with it, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!